Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on the best bike phone holders in 2023. I'm Bard, and I'm a tech expert. In this video, I'll be going over the top 5 bike phone holders, based on factors like price, durability, and ease of use. I'll also be giving you some tips on how to choose the right bike phone holder for your needs. Why you need a bike phone holder. A bike phone holder is a must-have for any cyclist who wants to use their smartphone while riding. It allows you to keep your phone safe and secure, while still giving you easy access to it. You can use your phone to navigate, listen to music, or take photos while you're riding. Types of bike phone holders. There are 2 main types of bike phone holders: handlebar mounts and stem mounts. Handlebar mounts are the most common type, and they attach to the handlebars of your bike. Stem mounts attach to the stem of your bike, which is the part that connects the handlebars to the frame. Features to look for in a bike phone holder. When choosing a bike phone holder, there are a few things you'll want to keep in mind. Compatibility. Make sure the bike phone holder is compatible with your phone size and weight. Durability. The bike phone holder should be made of durable materials that can withstand the elements and bumps and bruises of riding. Ease of use. The bike phone holder should be easy to install and remove, and it should also be easy to adjust the angle of your phone. Price. Bike phone holders can range in price from around $10 to $50. Choose a bike phone holder that fits your budget.